Good morning. Hello, friends. It's me, Jose, again. Continue with the saga of the new bike that I want to buy. Well, I went to the dealer. Actually, that dealer deals with two brands. One American brand and the other one is a European. So I went and I saw the bike and I tried them on like a suit, like a pair of pants. Yeah, and it's freaking tall. It's too tall. You know, I cannot plan my foot. Kind of put my foot like this, like a ballerina. And I can plan it if I kind of twist my body, but that is not the thing that I want for an old guy bike. I want something that I can really put my foot down and plan it. At least one. But what a beautiful bike. Wow, man. Wow. Something like that is always something that I have wanted all of my life, you know. Retro look and wow. And dual sport, of course. But nah, I don't know. That is for me a deal breaker, because I really want something that I don't know. It still is going around my mind. So I jump into another one there, which is more street oriented and beautiful bike, also amazing bike. And I don't know, man, you know, today I'm really in that type of mood that when you want something but you know that it will hurt. It's something like that. And the other thing is that those things are really expensive, you know. I'm talking about 20K and dollars, of course. So I have to work that out also. But if you want something really bad, you can get it, you know. But so I'm I don't know. I'm in a state of mind that I might look for another one because of that thing, you know. It's just that thing that make me look for other bike because it's too tall. But anyway, since I have a couple of months to decide, you know, it's not that I need it right away, today or next week or this month. No, I have time. So since I have time to decide, I might have to take a little more time to really think about this bike. Since it's going to be my last bike, and since it's so freaking expensive, yeah. I forgot to tell you that yesterday I took this thing into the 10,000 kilometers maintains, and they change the oil, the filter, they because this is a fuel injected thing. Check out the fuel injector system, the computer. Clean the air filter, which is not it's not paper, it's a foam one, and they adjust something in the air intake. I don't know what it was, but all of that cost me $46, and it was done in 3 hours. Well, maybe in half an hour, but 3 hours since I left the bike there and went to work and come back. Yep. Yeah, I really forgot. They changed the spark plug. And this spark plug is a really weird spark plug. It does a spark plug that has like a little tiny electrode, and it's surrounded by I don't know, it's weird, you know. As you can see, it's just a mess here, and I'm really taking a chance here by riding between lanes, because not because of the space here, because it's enough, but people really tend to be really aggressive on the riding, and it's complicated sometimes, so you have to be very careful. Sometimes I even see the wheels which way they are turning, because people just will turn without putting the turn signal, and but once you get the use of it, of how people ride here and drive here, it's pretty safe, and you don't have to do things stupid, like, you know, going in the wrong way or riding super fast. You just kind of cheat a little bit. Because motorcycles are meant to do that, you know. If I go behind one car, it's just one more car. There's no need for that. Well, something happened here. I'm pretty sure it is a dead body or something. There it is, yeah. What a mess. Well, guys, this is it for today. It's not always a pretty sight to see a lifeless body, but I didn't see it actually. I don't know what it was, but I'm pretty sure that what it was there. And yeah, well, the saga continues with the bike. Let's see what do I well, my mind still set with that thing, but if anything else come along that my legs will reach the floor in a decent way, I might have that one. But that for future videos, for sure.